Alright guys, have you ever asked yourself, why does YouTube recommend their video but not mine? You spend hours filming, editing, uploading, yet your video barely moves while another creator with a similar video blows up overnight. Here's the truth, the YouTube algorithm isn't a mystery. It's triggered by very specific signals, and today I'm breaking down exactly what makes YouTube push your video to thousands or even millions of viewers. Stay tuned, this could change everything for your channel. Hey creators! Welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, the place where you learn how to grow on YouTube, monetize your content, and build a real online income. If you're ready for real tips, real growth, and real money, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, hit that like button, and drop a comment below. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Watch time and retention. The #1 trigger for the YouTube algorithm is watch time. If people click your video and leave after 10 seconds, YouTube won't recommend it. But if viewers stay engaged for most of your video, the algorithm sees that as a green light. That's why storytelling, pacing, and editing matter so much. You've got to hook people in the first 15 seconds, keep them curious, and reward their attention all the way through. Retention is like gold to YouTube. The longer they watch, the more your video gets pushed. Step 2. Click-through rate CTR. The second big trigger is click-through rate. This is how often people click your video after seeing the thumbnail and title. Think of it like this. YouTube shows your video on the shelf. If no one picks it up, they'll replace it with someone else's. A strong CTR comes from 3 things: an eye-catching thumbnail, a curiosity-driven title, and making sure your video actually delivers on the promise. If your title is 10 secrets to growing fast on YouTube, but you only give 3 basic tips, viewers will leave, and that kills retention and CTR at the same time. Step 3. Engagement: likes, comments, shares. Now let's talk about engagement, likes, comments, and shares. These may not be as strong as watch time, but they're still key triggers. When viewers interact with your video, YouTube sees it as a signal that people are interested. That's why you'll hear creators say, drop a comment below or smash that like button. It's not just for fun, it's to nudge the algorithm into recommending their video more. Every like and comment tells YouTube this video is worth sharing. And step 4. Consistency and viewer satisfaction. The last trigger I want to share is viewer satisfaction and consistency. If viewers keep coming back to your channel, binge your videos, or even search for your name, YouTube pays attention. Consistency, whether it's posting weekly, twice a week, or even daily, helps the algorithm trust you as a creator. But here's the secret, it's not about tricking the algorithm. It's about making viewers happy. If people enjoy your content, the algorithm has no choice but to push it further. So, what triggers the algorithm? Watch time, click-through rate, engagement, and consistency. Focus on those, and your videos will have a much higher chance of getting recommended. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think is your biggest struggle with the algorithm? Getting clicks, keeping people watching, or boosting engagement? Drop your answer in the comments below, and I'll reply to as many as I can. And don't forget, if this video helped you, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, hit that like button, and share this video with a fellow creator. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and let the algorithm work for you.